When should you use Perplexity and when you might go for SciSpace? They're both AI-powered tools, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down for you. Perplexity is like a conversational search engine. You have a general search that pulls from the entire internet, news, reports, and blogs. You have an academic search that lets you restrict results to scientific, scholarly resources only. And you have AI spaces that keep threads of queries and sources organized. With the Pro plan, you get even access to advanced models like ChatGPT, Claude, and unlimited file analysis. SciSpace, on the other hand, is very specialized. It summarizes and explains research papers, figures, and formulas. It goes deep into academic literature, making complex studies easier to understand. It even explains equations and data visualizations, something Perplexity isn't designed for. So here's the difference. Perplexity can be like a broad conversational tool to answer questions from across the internet, and SciSpace is more focused academic assistant built to simplify dense or intense research. Which one do I use? Perplexity when I need a quick overview or to synthesize across many sources. SciSpace when I need to really dig into a paper or prepare a review. Perplexity is your AI-powered search buddy. SciSpace is your academic co-pilot. Together, they cover both quick answers and deep analysis. In the next video, I'll show you how I combine PubMed, papers, SciSpace, and Perplexity into one smooth workflow, from searching to actually applying evidence in practice. Don't forget to hit subscribe to follow all the way through.